everyone, welcome back to BPI interview tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is related to Six Sigma certification. So before moving to that, I would like everyone to please share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon, and also click on the thanks button if I really helped you out, guys. So let's start today's concept. So today basically I just want to explain you about the statistics in the Six Sigma. Statistics we already have seen in our school days, wherein we used to find that in under the mathematical problems, but this will also help in the Six Sigma. How this will help, we will learn this today. It's a great session, guys, because if you know statistics very properly, the functions and the formula, definitely the Six Sigma projects will become more easier for you. So let's start a basic thing about the statistics. What is statistics? This will basically give us the analysis of the data with the help of the group of data in the organization. Basically, it will also help in the investigating the internal part of the analysis. It involves in getting the numbers very easily. Okay. And it also help. So what happens here? Basically, if you're working with a call center, if you're working on if the project, you will be having a large set of data which is known as population, but you will do the analysis with the help of samples, which means you will take few data and uh, yes, we will do this. So with the help of this, we will just check the samples, and with the help of the samples, we'll find the analysis. So this is all about the statistics. I know this is just a basic definition. The main thing we need to learn how to apply this on the data. I will explain you with the help of few examples in the Excel tricks and sheets, so that it will be easy for you getting the information. Now, what is the Six Sigma statistics? How this will help here? I told you already, population, which means the last set of data, samples, which means we are taking a few IDs or few set of data, uh, and we will do the analysis. Numbers play important role in Six Sigma project, that everyone knows, because if you have a numbers, definitely it will help you out. And hence, to do that, statistics play an important role here. With the help of this particular measure, we can solve the problem very easily. We can get the benefit in the performance. The cost will also get improved, and customer satisfaction will get increased. And there is an improvement in the project if there is any future performance in needed or we are required here. Now we will check out what type of statistics we will use in the Six Sigma. Basically, there are two things. The one is descriptive, another is inferential. Descriptive basically again now divided into two parts. The one is central tendency, another is the measure of dispersion. And inferential is another concept, guys, wherein we are using few tests, that is a t-test, ANOVA, regression analysis, that will be done here. But here we will start step by step. Now this is the entire thing we will be learning about in the statistics for the Six Sigma. We will start it off with the mean, mode, median, that comes under the central tendency. Then we'll go with the range, variance, how to calculate that with the help of examples. We will go with this standard deviation and everything. Now let's see some basic definition. What is descriptive analysis? Descriptive statistics, which means it provides the summary in the simple summary of the samples and the measures. What is central tendency? Basically it will provide the single value from the entire data set. Basically it work with the accurate number of the data set. Measure of dispersion, which means it will give you the degree of variation in the data. Don't go with the definition, guys. Once we'll go with the examples along with the mathematical formulas, you will get to know this information very clearly. So this is all about the statistics in related to the Six Sigma. And just don't miss to subscribe the channel and click on bell icon, so that you'll get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.